Battle of Hoover's Gap, June 24, 1863, was the principal fight in the Tullahoma Campaign. The rebel army of Tennessee expected the Union Army of the Cumberland to march around the low mountain range known as the Highland Rim. Instead, Union General Rosecrans devised an elaborate plan of feint and diversion, and while the Confederate General Bragg was trying to figure out which was the main Union attack, Colonel Wilder's Mounted Infantry Brigade rode through Hoover's Gap in a steady rain and routed Colonel Butler's 1st and 3rd Kentucky Cavalry that was defending the gap. Wilder's men had pushed 9 miles ahead of their infantry support and entrenched at the south end of the gap. Confederate General Bushrod Johnson reported 2 boys muddied with hard riding appeared at my headquarters and reported the enemy advancing from Hoover's Gap. Johnson sent Bate's brigade to counterattack Wilder. Bate hit Wilder head-on and was repulsed by the rapid-firing Spencers. Bate then tried attacking the flanks with no success. After 3 attempts to dislodge the Federals with a quarter of his men down, Bates pulled back. Stewart had his division ready to march in support of Bate, but by then the Union 14th Corps had come up and the battle was over. Besides having an artillery battery under Eli Lilly, Wilder's men were armed with a revolutionary 7-shot Spencer repeating rifle. Wilder had seen this rifle demonstrated by its inventor, Christopher Spencer, and wanted to arm his mounted infantry with the repeating rifle. Wilder ran into trouble with the Ordnance Department in procuring the Spencer rifles, so he arranged financing through his personal bank, which allowed his men to purchase their own Spencers. Besides the fast-firing capability, the Spencer used a new self-contained metallic cartridge, which was waterproof and not easily damaged like the paper cartridges used in the Confederate single-shot muzzle-loading muskets. Wilder had outpaced his supplies and was ordered to fall back through the gap. Wilder refused, saying he could hold his position. When Rosecrans came up with the rest of the army, rather than reprimand him for disobeying orders, he told Wilder that he had saved the thousands of lives it would cost to retake the gap.